That are just anger and disappointment at all. You don't believe that.
Excuse me for a moment. I'm going to the ladies' room. I guess I'm always going to be under suspicion now from you guys, right?
What do you mean?
Chris, your face gave away your true thoughts. I'll leave my phone and bag here, since that will make you more comfortable. Would you also like to check if I'm wearing a wire?
No, Vanessa. Can't go on with the things. Do it.
Are you okay, Chris?
Yeah, I'm good.
You look a little flustered. Is it because you don't trust me?
No, man. No, nothing to do with that.
You said something earlier that I was a good person. Do you really mean that? Or is that just the agent in you talking?
I mean,
I must admit, I fully came here with the intention to tell you my mind, or get whatever it is off my chest.
I want to stop you from do that.
You did. There's a calm about you that makes it hard to be confrontational. And admittedly, after talking to you, I feel much better.
Glad to hear that.
How do you suggest I approach this Tonian situation?
Just give that some time. We sort itself out. No, she not work.
Well, thank you for the advice. And thank you for coming. I really needed someone to talk to.
You're welcome. Glad we could have helped.
Can I buy you lunch?
Honestly, I'm good.
Can I get you a drink?
I'm on active duty. Sorry. Hello. What? When? Alright. I'll be on my way.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. Some sort of way. The incident with my daughter at school.
Is she okay?
Yeah. But you know look at little boy so okay. She have a temper issue.
Are you going there now? I could come with you. I could volunteer to talk to her.
Um,
Here, what? Let's not waste any more time. Okay? Come, I'm going with you.